Hello there, my name is Valerie White Williams, and today I'm talking about how to add chapters and why you should do it. And before I let you know, this is not my only channel. My most popular channel is Focal Splendor Studios, and that channel has up to 84,000 subscribers and over 19 million views. And I have multiple channels, so this is my most latest channel, so don't let this low numbers scare you off. So the reason why you should use chapters, especially when you have lots of things, talking points, is because, first of all, it's going to allow your audience to go directly to what they're interested in. It also will show your audience that you want to keep watching because you're going to find other chapters that you're interested in. So they're not going to just jump off if they already see that there's something else that's coming up, because YouTube rewards watch hours and it also rewards watching the video fully. So that's another thing. Now, the third thing is that it's going to help your SEO, your search engine optimization. So the more words that people are searching for with your content, the more you have those words in the description and the title, the more you are going to score high when people are searching for those things. So this is a great opportunity to increase your SEO, your search engine optimization. Now, if you don't know what that means, is that when people search for terms that they're looking for, then the terms that will show up is from the terms that they put in their titles and descriptions. For example, I was looking to replace a light fixture, and guess what? I went to YouTube and wrote in how to fix a light fixture, and I got all these videos. That's how it works. So this is why chapters are so beneficial. It helps the viewer, it helps your watch time, and it helps your SEO. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Loom and I'm going to show you another of my channels where I like to put in chapters, show you how to do it and how it looks at the back end and how it looks when it's finished. So follow me there so you can see exactly how I do it. All right, so here I am with a video that has chapters. So I want to show you first what it looks like, and then I'm going to show you how to do it. So this is my astrology video, the moon throughout the houses. And so it's a perfect example to show you how you set this up. So basically, when you want to do chapters, the very first chapter is going to be set at 00:00. That sets it up. So YouTube knows, okay, chapters are coming. And you can see here are all the points that will point to which category is watching. So, and it takes a little time. So I'm just going to show you. So this is what you see when you actually put it in the description. And then here is cool. So once you put it in, you see these chapters. So I'm just going to click to one of them randomly right here. Oh yeah, there's a great ad. And there it is. See, that's how it works. So I'm going to show you how, well, it's easy, but it is somewhat time consuming. So you're going to follow me and I'm going to show you with a video that I just uploaded yesterday, and I have not put in those timestamps to make the chapters yet. So let's stop here. And so now we're going to go to here. Okay, different video right here. This is a brand new video. I do not have any of the timestamps. So here's one of the things that I do. So I'm going to go into the edit command. So where is that? Edit video right here. So yeah, it's time for glasses. Time for glasses. Here we go. So we're going to edit the video because that's how I'm going to go into it. So what I usually do, let me see, wait for my face to come back. Yes. So what I usually do is I have videos on two places, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll through the numbers, the timestamps, and then when I find those timestamps, then I'm going to put it in this and make sure that you don't mess it up. So here's this one. And so what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to start right here. So we're going to do zero, like I said, 00:00. and I say chapters. Okay, there. So that's, gotta spell, there. Okay, so that's gonna start it off. And so now I'm gonna watch this other video right here. It's the same video, but you can't you need to have both videos up so you can kind of go back and forth. So here's the same video. There's the ads. Let's get out of the ads. Okay. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to scroll through, because what I like to do is when I make these videos that I know there's different topics, I like to put a title so then I can find it really quickly. So let's go in. I'm going to scroll through. And here's the first one. Okay, so I missed that. So I'm going to actually play it, and then I'm going to look here. I know this is kind of time consuming, but you're trying to find, there it is. Okay, right there. Okay, so let me scroll back a bit more. Okay, there. See, now I also use the text, but what I like to see is that there, boom. Okay, so now you see Mercury in the first house. Now we're gonna get the timestamp. The time stamp is 1:52. So now I'm gonna go into the other video and I'm gonna put in the time spat. So 01:52, and that is Mercury in the first house. There, boom, that's the first one done. There it is. I know. So again, it's easy, but it's time consuming. So I'm going to do one more and show you how to do it. I'm not going to do them all, but I'm going to go one more. So I'm going to go into here. Okay, so there's that first one. So now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to just I scrub through it. And then we're going to find when it says the second house. And I like to put titles because it's easier for me to actually make them. So here we go. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Okay, that's Mercury in the first house. So that means we're coming up to the next one. Okay. So yeah, you sometimes have to go too fast. It is a little time consuming. So let me just play it for a second. We're not going to listen to it. So there, boom. Okay. See, there's the second one. So now Mercury in the second house is 3:52. So we're going to go back right here. I'm going to go 03:52, and you can probably cut and paste right here. Oh, whoops. Right here. Edit, copy, edit, paste. Right, except it's now going to be the second house. All right, second house, save. Okay, so that's how you do it. Now, it does take some time if you have a lot of chapters like this one. I have 12 in this one, but I only showed you the first 2. So now what I'm going to do is, now don't get confused. The one that I was actually scrubbing through, I'm going to cut it because we don't want to mess up all your stuff. I've saved. Now I'm going to go back into this, and now we should see those chapters. It's not done yet, but we're going to go see it right here. And I'm going to click right here, and then we're going to see the chapters, or we should. All right. Yeah, there's an ad there. All right. So now let me move my head here. There's an ad. Yay for ads. I monetize with this channel. It's my second monetized channel. And now we're just going to go scroll down and see if we can see those chapters. I only made 2. Yes, there they are. Boom. That's how you do it. And so you can see them here in the description. You put them in the description, and there's the chapters. So we're going to click on this one. There you go. That's it. That's how you do it. Just bring up both videos and don't get distracted, and make sure that it's clear. So once you use the scrubbing video, you're going to delete that or pull it off, and then you're going to save it in the place where you're putting the descriptions. All right, I'll meet you back. All right, so I hope you found this so easy to increase your watch time, help your viewers go through all your content, and increase SEO. It's a win-win. Now, if your video is really short, if it's like one-dimensional, meaning it's only talking about like one talking point, I don't usually put chapters in those types of videos. But if you are talking at multiple points, contacts, bullet points, it makes sense to create chapters because it's going to help everything. Your viewer, your watch time, and your SEO, and your scores. So yes, so let me know, always let me know if you have any questions or any other videos that you would like some help at. I really would like to take your suggestions and I'd make videos for you because this channel is all about helping people grow their YouTube so you can get more clients and eventually get ad revenue. All right, so make sure you subscribe and click on the bell if you're going to, and so you get all my content, and I look forward to talking to you later. Okay, bye.